Are you guys on? Alright, what's up? Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys basically what I do. Today's gonna be like a kind of a very impactful day, back-to-back things to do. And I wanted to take you guys, there's something here. I wanted to take you guys around and basically show you my go day. And so the first thing that I have in agenda is I have a meeting with a couple of these pastors that I need to talk to about some stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna set you guys down. I guess what I'm wearing right now, nothing pipes, just an undefeated, some black jeans, I guess you could kind of see the apartment. Don't mind the drying rack back there, but yeah, I have a meeting so far at 8 a.m. It is currently 7:52 a.m. After that, dude, there's this big storm coming in, and looking at all my friends' Instagram videos dude, there's like zero food. And let me show you guys what I have in my refrigerator, because your boy, your boy cooks, but I'm saying like broccoli and LaCroix, you know what I mean? So your boy needs to go some grocery shopping, and I'm scared because everything at a grocery shop is like currently wiped out, and so I'm a little bit nervous, but I gotta get my computer and all that set up, so I'll catch you guys on the next flippity flop, you know what I'm saying? So I just finished my meeting. It's currently 9:30. Took an hour or so to kind of meet and talk about some logistic stuff about church. Praise the Lord, man. I know most of you guys don't know that is watching this channel. I'm very involved with church, and my current job description is a youth coordinator, but everyone calls me pastor kind of in a way. So that's part what I do. And so next, there's actually an event at school. It's a private Christian school where I'm gonna go, and most of my church kids go there, and one of them is speaking, so I definitely want to go. But before that, your boy needs some food and some coffee, and so I could function a little bit, because your boy has a headache because I don't have caffeine. Usually get a quad shot Americano, so you already know what time it is. Let's go to the next transition. So, I got my coffee. I just got to their school. It snowed Tuesday like a lot, and today they're actually having early dismissal because it's about around like 5 to 6 inches of snow that's coming. So I don't know if I told you guys, but I need to go buy food real fast after this and kind of settle down. I have a couple of unboxings for you guys to show, so they're kind of heat, so I'm excited to show you guys. And so yeah, we're at school right now, and we're gonna listen to Hannah in Ballard. It's a week of worship where the kids lead out worship, and you know, they are the people that are speaking. They're doing the sermon and prepping. So this week's been kind of crazy because school's been canceled because of snow and ice and yada yada. So this is the first day. I think continue on the next. So I'll show you guys.
Fucking hate me. I knew it would be risky, but it's still in when she with me. I've been focused on the music. My flow is therapeutic for me and no.
Current situation right now, trying to rush home, but it is like down right now. Holy cow! I don't know if the camera could capture all this, but it's going pretty bad. I have one more stop to go to get some soup, and then I should be home, but I'm like pretty far away right now, and I think literally everyone in the state of Washington is trying to get home right now, so traffic is going to be mad crazy. I just stopped by the store and got some water and basically essentials. I have some breakfast foods, soups, because man, it's going to be down and like this for the next couple of days, so I bought plenty of water and just stuff I need to kind of just chillax, because there's no church tomorrow. It's canceled due to the weather, And yeah, so right now it's sticking to the road, which I'm kind of nervous because I live like 40 minutes from here, so wish me luck going back home. But yeah, this is crazy. Woo. Yo, I've been on this road for like an hour, bruh. I'm almost home. I just got done talking to one of my close mentors, and she was Pastor Junie. If you're watching this, I'm talking about you. So we just had a great talk. She prayed over me about some stuff that's going on to my future. So yeah, man, it's just been a blessing to have all these people surround you with love and care and excitement too. So currently I'm going to one of my leaders' house and try to talk to her also and get some feedback for what's to come. But yeah, I got some groceries. I don't know if I told you this yet or not, but yeah, I'm trying to drive home right now. It is like, I hate driving in snow, and I am doing multiple things at once, and so I am shaking in my boots right now. But yeah, I'm almost there. 15 more minutes, and then we should be Gucci. It's been crazy, crazy. All right, just got to one of the parents' house to talk to her and get some advice on stuff. Yo, these, I don't know if I'm gonna stay that long, but I'm here, I'm alive. Today is the second day. I got home with all those meetings that I got to do, well, I had to do yesterday, and I just kind of was exhausted to kind of talk. But it is Saturday now, and let me show you guys the outside. It is currently, it snowed like probably like 5-6 inches yesterday, and it's been kind of crazy. So and I promised you guys the unboxing video, so I know what these two are. I guess we could go with this one for now. Getting a knife out, you know what I'm saying? Alright. This actually, I was excited to get because once I saw the pictures rumored to have this coming out, I was just so excited. So I sold my old pair, and I wanted to get the new pair. So here it is. It was an early drop, and literally I was like, I put Netflix on my shower. I was watching Office, and it said like something sneakers, something. Usually when it's like along those lines, that means like it's an early release. So I was like, oh shoot! I looked, and it was this. Got the receipt here, and it's, if you can see the box and know, and you're kind of like educated in the shoe system, you already kind of know what this shoe is. And so this is gonna be my first look. It's an early release. I'm excited to have these in my hand, and they're not, I think they made a lot of pairs, so resale value, it's not gonna be there, but if you want it, you could get it type of thing. And it's just like every other, you know, release now, depending on what it is, but most of all the GR shoes that are releasing, so. These are the Infrared 6s. I thought they would have the infrared a little bit more red, like try to do the OG, but looking at this, these are definitely the infrared as 2 years ago that dropped. But this is a little different. It's that little sexy, cute little butt right there. This is Nike Air. And yeah, and I wanted to show you guys, if you guys look on the sneakers app, there's this like cool new feature where they actually have the shoe like 40, I don't know what it's called, but you can actually place your camera and focus it somewhere, and it will show you, let me see if I can pull it up. It's an AR view, and so you just kind of like set it here, and then you could kind of see side by side the shoe, and I don't know if this is a real shoe here, and this is the virtual one, and then you could kind of like move it around, make it bigger, and so it's kind of dope that they are doing this and implementing this now. And so what I did was like, oh, I'll try it on my outfit that I was gonna wear, and it kind of like did that. So it's a cool feature. I'm excited that these are in my hands, man. I've been kind of dying to get these, and these are one of my favorite Jordan 6s. I would say pretty much the favorite Jordan 6 to have. It's easy to wear, nothing like too crazy. Obviously, I like neutral colors, black, gray, whites, and so I'm excited to have these in my collection again. I just recently sold the other pair, so oof, these are fire. I'll give you guys a kind of like a B-roll, obviously, closer to the end of the video. I'll probably have these on feed video also. And this, I've been excited to have. I've been kind of looking at their prices. I bought it for I would say like a good price type of thing. And I bought this off of StockX, sorry. And obviously, if I show you the box, you kind of know what shoe it is. But so this one came out of Seoul United, which I have no idea where that is, but you can kind of see. Obviously size 11, and if you see from the box, Nike Swoosh sign. So obviously it comes with the general box that's been Off-White's been coming out. I'll probably take this sticker off right here. Just wanted the box kind of fresh and clean looking. But these are my first time looking at these in person also. I'm excited for these. Woo. Woo. Obviously it has a StockX tag right there, and yes, these are the Off-White Air Force Low all black, and you can see in the corner I have the neon. I actually got those on sneakers. Luckily I got the W on that, but these are fire. I mean, I feel like for me, because I don't like bright colors, that's gonna be a little hard to wear. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep those, but yeah, these are the two shoes I recently caught for this month, and I'm excited for All-Star Weekend. Dude, those Jordan 1s are fire, the light blue ones, but I can't think of the name, but yeah, these are the two cops that I've got. And so let me give you guys a B-roll and a closer view. And so if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and welcome to the family. It was like a vlog slash unboxing type of thing. And if you guys like this video more than my usual videos, let me know, comment down below that, hey, let's do kind of a more vlog. So until next time, you already know what time it is. No Sweat Kicks, we out. Doses.